Okay, so if we brought our full 52 card deck up here, this is not it, by the way, because some other cards are around, but nonetheless 52 is on the top. What would we do? These cards are numbered 1 through 52, so what would we do to start analyzing our Pharaoh shuffle with 52 cards?
Well, so we're doing 1 through 52, which would be doing 0 through 51.
0 through 51, okay.
So then,
Maybe mod 51.
yeah, the
That's
same
the way to go.
will apply to do mod 51.
Okay, so we want to look at mod 51, and what do we want to find?
So you want to find what you multiply by
Okay.
for each thing.
Okay, so in each step we're gonna, I'll since we aren't gonna do it out, each step it's gonna be the same times 2.
Alright.
Okay, so 0, we'll say it's 0. 1, you can see where card 1 is gonna be interleaved
1, 2,
and end up in this 2 spot. Okay, so we are multiplying by 2. So what do we want to find where it first returns?
Well, we
So we're
could.
going to find 2, so 2 to the n equals 1 mod 51 in the first n.
Okay. Alright, well let's see if we can find that.
So let's see.
So actually let me move the card so I can make a list.
So for
So
powers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see.
So you have 1,
2 to the 1 would be
2,
2.
2, and go to 4.
I guess the first non-zero n, because 0 does work here.
Right, right.
3 is
8,
8. So none of these small ones are going to work.
16, 32, and then it goes to 51, that goes to 13,
Because it's 64, right? So 13.
then 26, and then 1.
Why?
Because it goes to 52 among 51.
Huh.
So 2 to the 8.
2 to the 8.
So 256. Or 8. 8 rounds.
8 rounds. It's going to take, so with a perfect riffle shuffle, if you were able to do a riffle shuffle perfectly 8 times in a row, and what would perfect mean in this case? What would you have to do perfectly?
Completely alternating from both sides.
And both the split you did divided the deck neatly in half.
Okay.
So 8 shuffles brings you back to where you started.
All right. Do you think if we did it with a number other than 52, we could now figure out how long it would take to repeat?
Probably, yeah. Because you know the mod, and you know it doubles each time.
Okay.
So you could just use this equation and replace the 51.
Do you think and do you think there's always going to be, if I have an even number of cards, I end up with an odd number down here? Do you think it will always repeat? Do you think there will always be a solution? 2 to some power will be congruent to 1 mod and odd mod.
I think it will.
Probably, yeah.
Okay. Cool. So that's what this is part of what Jim Prop's essay was about. It's actually pretty neat. Did you know that if you riffle shuffled perfectly, you'd repeat?
Nope.
Nope.
No. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool thing. There's actually a lot of other neat math standing behind this if we were going to go all the way through Jim's essay. But this is good enough for now. It's a good project. Good work, guys.